Hi, I'm Manjira Kurana. I'm an executive coach, or rather what's known as a CEO coach. I live in Delhi and I bought the Elite Elevator staircase lift, which is really working very well for me. A year ago, my right knee started having a lot of problem. Doctor said that in maybe a couple of years, I'm going to need a knee replacement surgery, but it was very painful going up and down the stairs. And I was looking for a lift option to come from the ground floor to the first floor. I wanted a stair lift because it involved the least disturbance and breakage in the house. I looked around and I looked at a couple of options, and in India, Elite was the only one which popped up. So I talked to the sales team and that's it. I ordered it. Well, so far my experience has been very good. Well, the chairlift is a source of amusement with all my friends, because most of them run up the steps and then I sit on it and I rise gently upwards. But it's a convenient thing to have. I mean, I have elderly aunts who use it. So it's a really good addition to the house. Elite, efficient, smart and compact.